Hi everybody! Today is a very exciting day. As you already know, I am going to be committing a quarantine crime. So I've been wanting bangs for a really long time because my forehead is pretty freaking big. I contoured it so it looks smaller than it does naturally, but yeah, my forehead's pretty big. I've always had hair that just like left my forehead completely open. The more that I look at other girls with bangs and, you know, picture it on myself, I'm like, I would look so much better with bangs. So instead of just waiting to go get it cut by a professional, I am feeling extremely driven today to just do this myself. I've been wanting to do it myself for a few weeks now, so it's not that spontaneous. I haven't even eaten breakfast yet. That's how quick this is happening. I watched like 2 videos on how to do this and I think I'm just gonna go for it. I think I can figure it out, and honestly, if it doesn't work out, I'm really not that concerned about it. I don't really care that much about my hair, especially not right now because it's quarantine. Go away! I don't really care if I look like a trash can. So what I want to do is I watched Brad Mondo's video on bangs and like what bangs are best for you. I know that my head is quite wide. I have quite a jaw on me. So I don't want to take my bangs super wide and short because that'll just like leave my face looking extremely wide. I'm gonna kind of make them like short in the middle and then make it a little bit longer as it goes out. So like right before doing this video, I found these on my countertop. Like, they're not mine. I don't know where they came from. I think it's a sign that it's like, yeah, do it, do it. So I'm gonna use these, I guess. I'm really excited. I've only had coffee, so I am extremely like nobody knows I'm doing this. I told my mom I'm filming a video, but she doesn't know what it is. My boyfriend doesn't know. Nobody knows. I posted on Instagram last night that I was thinking about doing this, but I never said that I was or when, and I didn't even know that I was going to be doing this today. I'm not really following an exact tutorial. I'm just kind of smushing information I got from a bunch of videos, kind of doing it intuitively. I look beautiful. I have a cowlick right here. You're not supposed to get bangs when you have a cowlick, but I don't care. I've gone crazy enough recently. I've had so much stress in so many facets of my life recently. Another big issue is I have a widow's peak and my hairline goes back, which is another reason I need these bangs, but it makes it harder to do it because like I have a ton of hair right here and then it thins out. Okay, it's not that much hair, so I'm not like that concerned. Just kidding, I'm concerned. I think the last time I went and got my hair done, I was like talking to my hairdresser about getting bangs and she was like, don't. I have so many things. Like I have the cowlick. Actually, you know what though? Like the cowlick kind of makes it voluminous and cute, so whatever. I'm just gonna do it, bro. Ooh, I'm nervous. I'm scared as hell. This is really hard because it's right in front of my eyes. I can't see anything, but I'm gonna take the middlemost strands and cut these short. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Whatever. I'm gonna cut them kind of long right now. I'm doing it. And then I'm gonna do this thing. All right. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I need more hair. This is actually really cute. I love it so far. So I'm gonna take the middlemost pieces again and cut them even shorter. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm just gonna do it. I love it. Like, I can already tell that my head is perfect for bangs, and everybody that ever told me that I shouldn't get bangs, you're just a hater, because look how lit I look already. Kill me. I'm just gonna make it even shorter. I think it's so cute. I love it. I think it's awesome. Oh my god, I'm happy. Okay, we're gonna cut it a little bit shorter. Did you just hear my stomach? It went burp. I am hungry. I love it. Like, it's not even styled, and I just love it. I think I'm gonna have to like curl it a little bit or like go with it. The rest of my hair is such trash too right now. Okay, we're gonna make it shorter. God. Okay. So I took more hair out. I'm just gonna use it to like frame my face a little bit.
Did you cut your hair?
Yeah.
Ah, it's cute. Be careful about that. They're long, don't want to put it too short and then you can't grow back.
Okay, it's still too long. It looks cute, Mom! I still think I need to cut it shorter. Oh, it's all up in my eyeballs.
You're making them too short.
No, I'm not.
They're so cute and bouncy. Oh my god! This is like dream bangs.
I am totally a bang person. It's so cute! Look,
Oh my gosh!
look how cute! I love it!
Darn good job. What's up with you? Do you have any underwear on?
I don't have pants on. I'm clearly a master hair cutter.
I know, right?
Ow, this is just ripping my hair out. Okay, this part's hard. Why am I a professional? This was my destiny. Okay, this is so cute. I love it. Okay, so that's the final product. When I walk around, they like kind of go in weird places, but I definitely think that I need bangs. Like, it's best for my face. And yeah, my cowlick has already given me problems, but I don't care. I like it a lot. Let's see how it looks with my hair down. I love it. I love it. I think it's great. What do you think of it? Okay, so I am absolutely loving it so far, but just from going downstairs and FaceTiming Sam and moving around a little bit, it is directly in my eyes. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit more and hopefully not screw it up. Why did I never do this before? Okay, I think I'm just gonna stop here. I freaking love it. I can't believe I never did this before. I love it, it's beautiful, I love it. Definitely kind of annoying. I'm gonna have to get used to it being in my eyes like this. I think it looks a little bit weird from the side. But whatever. Thank you so much for watching. This turned out way better than I expected, and it was so much easier than I expected. That's pretty rare. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm sure I'll be putting out some more stuff. Check out my other videos. You know the drill. All right, have a wonderful day, everybody. And if you're inspired, maybe you should go and cut yourself a bang.